In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Wise customer support. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your account, then you want to click on your profile name top right, and from here you want to click on the help button under your account. In here, it's going to ask you what you need help with, and of course you want to scroll down and click on contact us. And then from here, there we go, you have to tell them about your issue. So you have to select the one that's relevant for you. I'm gonna go, for example, receiving money into Wise. And then when I do this, as you can see, you'll have to describe your situation. So describe what's happening and any steps you've tried so far. So go over here, type in as much info as you can, and then click on start chat over here, and you'll start chat with the customer support. So that's the first way to do it. However, if for some reason you can't see this, so if I go to, for example, over here, like updating my info, it's going to ask you some further questions. I'm going to do, for example, changing my personal details and then my address. You can see there's no start chat button. In this case, there's going to be a I still need help button. So you want to click on that. And then from here, you want to type in your issue and click on start chat from here. So that's how to contact Wise customer support. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.